Cut the pipe square and to the desired length. Ensure the pipe is undamaged and free from rust, scale or burrs on the leading edge. The fitting is pre-assembled and ready to use. However, always ensure the nut is backed off with at least 3 threads showing to allow the pipe to pass freely. Witness mark the pipe to the flange on the fitting, then insert the pipe to the correct depth. Tighten the nut firmly with a wrench. The fitting is now fully installed when the nut cannot be tightened any further with reasonable force. To disassemble, simply loosen the nut. The pipe is released and can be pulled out of the fitting.